this some kind of trick where he gets off the bike and it doesn't burn out by itself?
Oh, goddamn. That's actually bad timing.
Okay. Oh, this is I'm going to stand next to my bike and do a burnout trick. Work the smoke.
There it is!
Just lock the throttle. Lock the throttle. Just let the bike sit there.
There you go! There you go! Fire! Pop it!
Let it hear, guys. Let it hear it.
Pop it! 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 There you go!
So the question is,
Don't worry.
was that better than the 8?
He did it back!
Is that better than the 8? No, I got a yes and a no. Hold on, my guy, hold on.
Pop it!
Hold on, Mr. Revolution.
No!
So I got a yes and a no. So obviously, it comes down to this side. Don't make any noise yet, hold on. This side is going to decide the fate of the burnout contest. Y'all understand that, right?
What? Are they?
So the question is, if that was a yes, then say yes on the count of 3. If not, be quiet. Was that a yes? 1, 2, 3. Okay, was that a no? 1, 2, 3.